Hello everyone, this is Sharun here from 24/7 Techie, and this is the Lenovo Fab 2 Plus, and a big device, 6.4 inch Full HD screen. But first of all, a physical overview: 13 megapixel dual camera, so 13 and 13, dual LED flash, laser autofocus, a fingerprint sensor, Dolby Atmos branding, Lenovo branding, and stickers that can be removed easily. Plastic over here, plastic over here. At the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack and the secondary noise cancelling microphone. At the right, the button, and a little bit textured on this button, the lock button, so that it's easy to find because it's a big phone. At the bottom we have the normal charging port, a speaker, and so two grills, one for speaker, one for microphone. And at this side we have the SIM card tray. We'll take a look at which are the compatibilities of the SIM card later on. So it's a big phone, and it costs 15,000 rupees. Comes with an MediaTek processor, and it is we are in direct sunlight over here, and it is pretty much okay to look. I'll clean it up. So it's 6.4 inch Full HD screen. Screen is pretty good, but it is big, and big borders as well. So as we can see over here, big borders as well. Clearly we can see black borders. It comes in two colors, a gold color and a grey color, gunmetal grey. Grey color will be available later on. This is available from today onwards only. We go into the settings, and we have Android Marshmallow over here. Buttons are not backlit. That is disappointing. And we are roaming around in the phone. Security, we can add fingerprints as well, 5 fingerprints, and we have tested it out. Fingerprint works decently. Memory point of view, 3GB of RAM, out of which 1.5, 1.4 is available. Battery, and looks good. Idle doze mode is working, so it has been doze is working since 2 days for them. So yep. Apps, no. Storage comes with 32 gigs of internal storage, 8 gigs is used. Smart Assist, double tap to wake, and one hand settings also. So one hand mode can be used in dial pad and lock screen numbers. Because it's a big phone, that's why they have added that. And smart shortcut, so this is a round thing that it will come out with. Flashlight and everything, you can customize it as well. Display, yep. And no NFC, and it comes preloaded with Netflix, because the company is actually targeting the video very much. Comes with Netflix, and they are targeting the video playback and the viewing experience of the phone. So yes, it's not having a Quad HD screen, but a very good quality Full HD screen. And they also have a lot of focus on the cameras. So the camera is over here, a very robust Pro mode is already visible, and there are a lot of other features as well. So capture is the auto mode, augmented reality, Pro mode, dual camera, group selfie for a bigger selfie type of a thing, panorama and night mode, augmented reality. So we can keep this, so it is a same thing. Okay, switch it on. Yes, close. So this is what we have kept it over here. So it takes a little bit of time to make it visible clearly, but yeah, looks decent. A nice effort, because the Pro mode of this, the Fab 2 Pro, comes with the augmented reality Project Tango of Google, and this is a sort of a gimmicky thing over here as well. And dual camera, what it will do, you can click a photo and then refocus, and also do a couple of other things as well. And in the video point of view, let's find out how much is it recording, if we can. Settings, and yeah, video size is 1080p. And how much for the front camera? video size 1080p. So both cameras can record 1080p. Overall a very big phone, and there's a selfie flash also over here. Overall a very big phone, but the thing is that the company is targeting the people who are interested in big phones, not really those who are into the 5-inch, 5.5-inch form factor. So definitely not for us, because I am a very big junkie of 5-inch, 5.2-inch form factor. But this is for those who want a big phone, a direct competition to Xiaomi Mi Max as well, 15,000 rupees, and 6.4, 6.3-inch screens. But the thing is that that phone is powered by Snapdragon 650 and 652. This is a MediaTek low-end processor. Not really very impressed with the processor. Otherwise the phone looks decent, and it's a big phone for sure. So guys, we have the Pixel as well over here, and we can see the difference. So this is a Pixel XL 5.5-inch, and this is 6.4-inch, and we can definitely see the size difference over here. And yep, it is a big phone, and Pixel is considered to be as one of the bigger phones, Pixel XL, with the chins and everything, and this is a bigger phone, much bigger. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this video. This was Sharon here from 24/7 Techie, going hands-on with the Lenovo Fab 2 Plus. Yeah, name is confusing a little bit. So yeah, do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and do share this video. And I would really like to see you in my next video, and please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and talk to you in my next video. See ya.